Hello friends, I am Sonali. I welcome you all for online tutorials of Java programming. In today's video, we are going to learn Java program to print the elements of an array in reverse order. Okay, now coming to the program. Now see here, first of all, I will create public class. Public class reverse array. Inside this class, I will create main method public static void main in bracket string args. Inside this main method, I am declaring integer array. Integer array is equal to new integer, then elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then semicolon. Then I am printing message system dot out dot println in bracket message is original array. Original array. Then semicolon. Then second condition. Next condition for loop. In that integer I is equal to 0. I is less than array length. Then semicolon. Then I plus plus. Inside this for loop, I am printing message system dot out dot println in that array of I. Here I value is printed, then plus here space. Then next message I am printing system dot out dot println in bracket default, because print message here in this message I will use print message next line. Okay, then next message I am printing system dot out dot println in bracket array in reverse order. Reverse order. Then semicolon. Then second for loop. In that integer I is equal to array length minus 1. Minus 1. Then I is greater than equal to 0. then I minus minus. Inside this for loop, I am printing message system dot out dot print ln in bracket array of I. Okay, array of I plus space here, then semicolon. Now see here, I am taking 5 elements 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, then first for loop, original arrays printed. Okay, original array 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 elements printed. Okay, first for loop. Then check second for loop. Okay, second for loop printed array in reverse order. Okay, check second for loop, integer I is equal to array length minus 1, I is greater than equal to 0 and I minus minus. I is equal to array length, here total array length is 5. Okay, array value starting from index 0. Okay, array length starting from index 0. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here array length is 5. 5 minus 1. Oh, array length is 4. 4 value stored in I variable. Okay, 4. Then check next condition, I is greater than equal to 0. I value is 4, greater than equal to 0. Condition is true. Okay. Then check elements, fourth index, fourth location. Elements is 4. Okay. 4 element printed. Okay. Then I value is decremented by 1. I value is 3. Then check I is greater than equal to 0 or not. I value is 3, greater than equal to 0. Condition is true. Okay. Then check third location, element is 3. Okay. 3 element is printed. Okay. Then I value is decrementing by 1. I value is decreased by 1. I value is 2. Then check I is greater than equal to 0 or not. I value is 2, greater than equal to 0. So condition is true. Then second location, element is 2. See here. Then 2 element printed. Okay. Then I value, initial I value is 2. Then I value is decrementing by 1. I value is 1. Okay. Then check I is greater than equal to 0 or not. I value is 1, greater than equal to 0. So condition is true. Then first location element is 1. Okay. 1 element is printed. Initial I value is 1. Then I value is decrementing by 1. I value is 0. Okay. Then check I is greater than equal to 0 or not. I value is 0, greater than equal to 0. So condition is true. Then go to check elements, 0 array elements, 0th location element is 0. 0 element is printed. Okay. Now see here for loop condition, 0 is greater than equal to 0. Then condition is stop the loop and then automatically control comes out from the loop, then print printed elements. Okay. Here I will use print because print's method simply print text on the console and does not add any new line, and println adds new line after print text on console. Okay. Here println, here print message, here print. Okay. Now let's run the program and see the output and check what will be the output. Okay. Now look at original array is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then array in reverse order 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Suppose here we can take any elements, multiple elements. Okay. Here I will take elements 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now let's run the program and see the output and check what will be the output. Okay. Now look at original arrays 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements, 7, 8 elements, and array in reverse order 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 elements. Okay. I hope you guys understand this logic. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. We will meet you in another video. Thank you. Thank you very much.